Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Got a bunch of things on the schedule tonight. I'm going to talk real quick, but across the top of the state. Hey, Al McKay, our area governor for Jacksonville, just sent in a huge list of activities planned for the coming months. Beginning in August, we have our August dinner meeting, which will be down in the RSVP group. And then I believe it's August 27th, a dine and drive where the Jacksonville area is inviting the Ocala Gainesville area to join them at a combined drive and dine and drive at a local restaurant area there. So look for the RSVP coming up. August 27th, I believe, is the date. So get on that list. A lot of fun. Let me scoot over to the Panhandle and say kudos. Big shout out to Courtney and Justin this past week. Huge Cars and Coffee event. Had the chapters tent up, flags and everything. Just a great event. I think there were over 900 cars there this past week. So just kudos to Courtney and Justin. Again, just growing the Panhandle activity out there. Really nice to see happening. Back to Ocala and the Gainesville area. Ted Catala is working on a car show in concert with some local group there. So look for that information down below. This past week, I want to say thanks to Russ Garvey. We set up a meeting with Ceramic Pro out of Sarasota. And so those guys at Ceramic Pro, Santiago, Jay, and Will, thanks for taking time with us. We've got a huge event coming up with Ceramic Pro in Sarasota, and more news about that coming up. I think it's going to be an amazing tech event for us. And I believe that's going to be in latter part of August, September. So we'll look for the date. We have some information coming at you shortly. So getting that hammered out, but should be a lot of fun. So thanks to those guys. Appreciate taking a tour of your facility this week. And thanks to Russ Garvey, our senior board member who helped set that particular event up. So thanks, Russ. Appreciate that. And then we're having just all of our regular Cars and Coffees and those events coming up down below. So just check out those events, and we'll see you soon. Happy motoring. Thanks.